Hi guys, welcome to Stockcase. Today I am going to review Religare Securities trading platform. Let's begin. The website is religareonline.com. Once the site opens, click on login to trade, fill up your account details, and there you go. Here you can see options like place order, watch list, report, research, and mutual fund. We will go through them one by one. Let's start with watchlist here. You can see the watchlist which I created and also predefined watchlist which tracks index. You can directly buy and sell from the watchlist itself. I'll click on the Ultratech Cement and the order window opens. Then select the order type, delivery, margin or PTST, purchase today, sell tomorrow. Insert the quantity and price. Now the price can be a specific price or market price. If it is a market price, the order will be executed at market price, which is 3,831 in this case. Here you can see stock information like open, high, low, close, volume, etc. Click on market depth to see demand supply. To view charts, click on charts. I usually use candlestick charts. Now orders. All orders which have been placed can be seen under order option. Under positions, you can see all the positions for that particular day along with the profit and loss for the day. Under holdings, you can see all your holdings along with the current market value. Margin report shows you how much cash and non-cash margin is available with you. To place new orders, click on place orders to find particular stock and place your order. Here you can also choose from the recently searched stocks. We will just type HDFC. Select your preferred exchange, NSE or BSE. I prefer NSE because of liquidity. Once you click on the stock, the order window pops up with all the information related to the stock. You can also view charts right from here. Select the type of chart which you prefer. Fill up the order details and place the order. If you want to trade in derivative futures, just type the name of the stock, click on futures. All the contracts will be shown. Select your contract and place the order. If you are an option trader, just click on options, choose call or put option, insert your strike price, your contract will be shown. Click on the contract and place the order. Under reports, we have already seen orders, trade, positions, holding, but one thing is still remaining which is very important, that is history report, which shows us the previous trade settlements and profit and loss for the previous days. You can also download previous contract notes just by clicking the date here. Now let's come to our favorite part, research. Under research, there are three options: equity investment ideas, trading calls, and research report. These are very useful tools if you are new into stock market. I will show you how to use them. Under equity trading ideas, you will get long-term and short-term investment recommendations along with the research report to know the research behind a recommendation. You can read this research report just by clicking on why this stock. I have been closely watching their recommendations and I am quite impressed by the quality of recommendations they provide. Now let us see some of their recommendations. We will try to see their old recommendations which have some results, as the new ones are still open and results will be seen in future. Now in this case, Ramco Cement recommended when the price was 633. Now current market price is 690 and target given was 842. This recommendation was given last month and so far it has given a return of 9% from the recommendation price. Recommendation price means the price of the stock when the recommendation was given. Dabur is still open here and also up by 7%. M&M target achieved, record price was 498, target was 575, current market price is 594. Now this has given a return of more than 15%. Team Lease recommended at 1665, current market price is 1837. This stock is up by more than 10% from the recommended price. If the recommendation is open, you can directly buy from here. Marico call is still open and up by 6%. Jamna Auto target achieved of 10%. Rallies India target achieved by 32%, recommended at 235, current market price is 302 and the target given was 310, which was achieved. Kolpal is still open. KEI Industries target achieved of 12%. Britannia still open and up by more than 9% since recommendation. And Bajaj Auto target achieved of 7%. Now so far we have seen the investment calls, but if you are intraday trader, you will get intraday calls just by clicking on trading calls, including derivative, currency, commodity calls. Now as of today on 27 July, Hind Petro was recommended at a price of 234 and it is up by 2%. Now the price is 238.40. Target given is 244. Here you can see all research reports. If you are a mutual fund investor, you can see all your mutual fund holdings just by clicking on unit holdings. You can also place order to buy mutual fund units right from here. Order window gets open, type the name of the mutual fund, example Axis. You can see all Axis mutual fund shows up. Mutual fund details like NAV and past returns is shown here. Select whether one-time investment or SIP. If it is one-time investment, type the amount and place the order. And if it is SIP, type the amount, select the frequency and number of installment and place the order. Once the order is executed, the units will be shown under unit holdings. Now it is time to give my opinion on this trading platform. Let us see the negative point first. The only negative point I can see here is that this platform has lots of features which makes it little complex to use. To learn and get used to this platform, it might take 2 to 3 days if you are totally beginner into stock market. But if you are already into trading, this might take you few hours. Now let's see the positive points. First of all, the research and recommendations they provide is really good. Second, the account opening is free and zero maintenance for first year, so you can try it out. There's nothing for you to lose here. And last thing, that they have branches in almost all the states in India where you can visit and solve your queries. As you already know, right now the account opening is free and also the AMC is free for 1 year. If you want to avail this offer, you can contact us on our Instagram page or you can also contact us on our official website stockace.in. The link is in the description below. For more videos on investment and finance, please subscribe this channel by clicking the subscribe icon below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.